Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to show you how you can download the footage from a XT series DVRs. Basically what happens, a lot of customers are requesting us because they bought a new DVR which is XT series. They have a different way of downloading the footage on a USB pen drive. So not like a normal DVR, the one we used to have, but this is XT series DVR. So a lot of questions are coming, so we are going to show you how you can download the footage on your pen drive on XT series DVR. Simply, we are on live view now. So what you have to do, first you need to go to the playback. Once you click on the playback, simply select the camera, which camera you want. So we are going to select camera number 1 because we have only connect camera number 1. Once the camera is selected, simply you go and select the date and time, or sorry, date. So we are going to select the date as well, today's one, okay, 20th of Feb. And then here you can see 24 hours, 6 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. We are going to select the 1 hour one. Once you select this one, bottom you can see these recording. Yes, you can see. So you can see so far what we have done. Okay, these are the recording. And then once you have a cursor here, you can't see. Once you move your cursor up, yes, you can see here these signs. Simply click on the clip, or okay, this one clip, but I'll move the cursor down. Let's see what happens. That's where people got confused. They can't find this option how to download the footage. They can see this one, but they can't see. So simply move your cursor up, then you can see clip. Okay, click on that, and then here you can see the start time and the end time, whichever you like. Yeah, 5 minutes. So we are going to download the footage for, let's say, for this from 9:53 to 10:03. Simply save. Once you save, this screen will appear, and then do OK. Now as we have inserted the pen drive already on a front USB okay port, and this, and then simply once this is done, then simply save. Once you save, and this will appear. So it's downloading on your pen drive, okay, the footage. Okay guys, simple way how you can download the footage if you have an XT series of DVR on your pen drive. That's the way. Guys, if this video really helps you, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also a humble request, we have a link below for our Google review. As these videos are really helping you, please humble request, just give us your Google review, please. Okay guys, so hopefully see you soon with our next technical video. Bye now, thanks for watching, see you soon.